So what are we cooking today? Well, today, for everyone out there who's watching, thank you. Aloo Gobi with a little twist. So we've got about half a cauliflower, and also I've got some the leaves from the cauliflower, the outside leaves. About 3 that I've sliced, as you can see, nice and fine. We've got some just baby potatoes, new potatoes, I think, quite small. They're fairly waxy, I've been told. I hope so, because I don't want them to break down. I want to keep them whole and infuse all the spices. Can you see? So just cut them in half. But my twist today, I'm going to add some sliced beans. So these are runner beans. You can use any other beans if you want. I had some left over in the fridge, so I'm just basically using up quite a few things that I had in the fridge. So I've got some onions. Remember, these are the pinkish little onions that you can get from Indian shops. You can use regular onions. Use any onions you feel like, whatever you have at home. There's some garlic. They've actually, sliced. So I like to slice this way, because most of the time, you see, they're quite equal and they don't burn. You can slice it long ways, they tend to burn. Bit of a twist here. I've got some spring onions. So there's 2 spring onions, scallions, or what they're called. So that's the greens and the whites. I'm going to use all of that. Bit of fresh chopped coriander. This is half a tomato, and it's not going to be too hot. I've got a bullet chili I've just slit. Can you see? Got the usual spices, but today I've got something different. This is a sort of Bengali style dish that we're doing. So I'm going to use this mixture here. It's a Bengali 5-spice mix. So this is called Panch Poran. Panch Poran. Pardon even my pronunciation is not that good. So it's a Bengali spice. It's nigella, fennel, fenugreek, cumin, mustard seeds in this one. This is a pre-made, ready-mix one that I've just bought in the shop because life's too short. Can you see? Look, that. Let's have a look. And that's really it. And to cook with today, I've got a one of these non-stick pans with a lid. And I'm going to use actually some this light olive oil. And of course a little bit of salt. And we're going to use turmeric. No chili in this one. Bit of cumin, bit of coriander, some garam masala. They're the sort of 4 spices we're using. Not too much spicing in this one. It's quite a light dish. The way I'm doing it is called a bhaji. Bhaji basically is like a fry. There's not going to be much sauce in this one, but trust me, it's a nice side dish or a main dish. It is a bit drier than like Indian restaurant in England. I'll do another aloo gobi with gravy and another point. But today it's just going to be quite a simple. Basically, we're going to steam some potatoes, steam the cauliflower in spices, steam the beans, have a nice, lots of onions there, give it like sweet caramel flavor. What to do? Let's go. Put the heat on to medium. So I just want to cover the bottom of the pan. Let's look. It's starting to sizzle there, look. A pinch, you see? Just put that in there. And that's going to flavour 2 pinches, sorry. And that crackle is going to come. Ooh, I like that smell. Put a little bit more, look. These whole spices are crackling, so we're just going to now chili. Break down the onions a little bit, so I've got this much salt here, about 2 teaspoons to start with. You know, we'll add a little bit later. This is to help the onions soften a little bit. And this way they will caramelize slowly in a medium heat. Chop them too finely, they'll just start burning. Now I'm going to add spring onion, 4 spring onions. And this will give me a sweet flavor. So that's been cooking like a couple of minutes now. So what you can do, you leave the lid on for about 30 seconds. That's been about. Now, it's been about a minute. We cooked about 3-4 minutes now. You can see the onions are softening. They're not browning yet, they're just softening, keeping a low heat. We add the garlic. Now we soften the garlic. We're not brown the garlic, it's going to soften everything. In this dish, we'll have a slow caramelized flavor on this. You can speed things up by boiling the potatoes and boiling the cauliflower, but personally, it's great when you want to do quick, but it doesn't have that same flavor. And this is something my mother would personally do. She prefers this. I'll be back in about 2 minutes on a medium-low heat with the lid on, so the steam is generating, and it's slowly softening the onions and the garlic without burning it too much in its own juices. It's been a couple of minutes with the lid on, medium-low heat. Let's have a look what it looks like. Big reveal. Now, you can see it started to, oh, look at that. So the onions have started reducing size, so they're releasing all their water, and the color slowly changing, but you can see, look, it hasn't burnt yet. So now it's getting light golden. Oh, look, see one garlic has started to get a bit of color, a little bit of color, but now we'll add a bit of spice now, so it slowly starts cooking out. So let's get this ready. So I would get about probably under a teaspoon of turmeric. I like coriander in this, so teaspoon of coriander. Remember, there's already whole spices in there. I don't want to put too many, tiny, about half teaspoon, third a teaspoon, and a very small amount of garam masala. This dish, the onions, the garlic, the salt, the flavor, the vegetables. But it's just the technique of getting this stage nice and sweet. And if you don't want it hot, if you don't like chilies, take the chili out, not a problem. I will probably take it out later, but that just gives a background heat without overpowering. Have a look at close up there. Look, you need to have that little sizzle there. I've seen a lot of people, they either do it too high heat or too low heat. This way you can just leave. I'm just watching. Look at that. I'm going to cook that out for approximately a minute with the lid on again, and then we'll add the vegetables. A minute now. Wow, look at that. Look, now it's catching. You'll see it's getting a nice brown, golden brown onion. What we do now, so now I've got the potatoes. Now what I've done, I've cut them and I've soaked them in water for a little bit. So there'll be a bit of additional water going in just off the back of this. So I want to add the potatoes, that's the potato, coat it there, and now reduce the, so we put the heat down to low, cook that for about 3 minutes on a low heat, and we'll come to check it again. It's generating its own steam, so we're starting to steam. You don't want to put the cauliflower in too early because then it will just get too soft. These potatoes need cooking out. It's been 3 minutes now, so let's have a look what it looks like. Okay. Give it a quick stir. Now it's tricky not to burn the onions. It can happen if you... Now the potatoes have got some colour on there. Can you see? The cauliflower now. We're just coating the cauliflower. Cauliflower is still on low heat now. Now we don't need to color the cauliflower too much. Potatoes, we want the nice caramelization on the outside. The sugars, look at that, the cauliflower. That's what we want, nice yellowy. Green vegetables there. The beans. The white. Nice to see the colors are all developing there. So that's the leaf from the cauliflower. Alright. Coriander now. You may have known I like coriander, so some tomatoes. There's the tomato there. We just want to use the tomato as a bit of a tiny device here as well. Okay, lid on. Now this, we're going to steam on a very low heat for about first 10 minutes. We check, give it a stir, then probably another 10 minutes until it's completely cooked through. But if it's cooked through after 10, you can check. It should take 15-20 minutes really, but just need to check. What you don't want to do is burn it. Then we taste the seasoning. Usually when the tomatoes are softened and broken down nicely without dissolving, it tends to be right. So I'm going to put it at a low heat now, and we'll be back and we check on it in about 10 minutes. It's been about 7 minutes. We'll just give it a stir. Now it can take another 10 minutes or 15 minutes on a very low heat, on a medium to low heat, sorry. Not very low, otherwise it takes too long. It's just getting that balance between steaming without burning, all the flavors and mixing together. And at the end we will, once all the vegetables are soft, we increase the heat and we stir fry, add lots of coriander. So it's been further 5 minutes. Look at that. You can see. We'll give it another 5 more minutes for the cauliflower to get a bit more tender. Potatoes are done, they're softening a little bit. Everything else is done, just the cauliflower. So 5 more minutes and then we're ready. Wow, look at that. Now this is soft. Now the cauliflower is nice and cooked. Gobi with some